We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP P2055 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace the toner. So in case you're new to this printer, or you've just never had to replace the toner, or it's been a long time since you replaced the toner, we're going to show you how to do it. It's a very simple process. You want to start off with opening this front cover. To open this front cover, you'll see a little button at the top right hand side of the printer. You're going to go and push that button down and lower this front cover. And then right when you lower that down, you're going to see the toner cartridge right there in the front. So right in the middle there's a handle. You're just going to pull straight out, and the toner will come straight out. But you want to make sure that you pull straight. If you pull at an angle at all, it's going to kind of wedge itself in there. So if you get stuck, if it doesn't come all the way out, push it back in, and then again try very carefully to pull straight out of the printer, and it should come right out. So once you have your new toner completely unpacked and ready to use, you're just going to take it, again, grab it by this handle that's right here on the front. You're going to just kind of line it up, slide it in, and push firmly down into place. You'll kind of feel it click down into position. Once you're done with that, you're just going to go ahead and close this front cover. Make sure it clicks all the way shut, and then your printer will take a second to initialize, and then you'll be good to go and back up and printing. So if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer this for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply this for you as well. Other than that, we hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.